Hey, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I just recently repaired this big dent in the quarter panel of a Subaru Forester. Looks like it's got a scuff in there, and we'll go ahead and try and buff that out as much as we can. Look at the size of that dent. That light surely shows all the different aspects of the dent. And I started the repair process with glue pulling. You can see the line just getting smaller. And this is what it looks like after I was done doing the glue pull process. And now just got to tap down the highs and pick up the lows. That's line's pretty much gone. So now it's time to check the dent from a different angle, also known in the industry as cross-checking. And I was able to use that opening through the taillight electrical harness area, and we got a final repair. Just a clean repair. Looks like a little bit of that scuff went into the paint, so that ended up staying, but overall very happy with this repair and just a super clean finished product there. And you can follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram at Ultimate Dent and Twitter at Ultimate_Dent. Thank you again for watching.